Welcome back. Late Matanhy Saldana never advocated Mopa Airport. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is misguiding the Goankars. Like-minded people under the banner of Goans For Dabolim Only claimed this in a public meet at Kansauli. They said that BJP and Congress leaders want Mopa Airport, but people of Goa don't. The members have appealed the government to take land back from Navy and expand Dabolim Airport.
ज्यांना मातांनी त्यांनाच आपल्या मोपा जाय म्हणून आपल्या तोडांनी म्हणून आता सदाच मोपाचे विरोध असलो आणि हे मोपाचे झूज जाता तेन्नासून पुढे वचचे आणि सोपलेले बाब मातांनीचे इच्छा आसली ती आम्ही पुराय करून दाखवची आणि जे कोण गोंयच्या बरेपणा पासून करिना हातून आमचो एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आसा ताची खरें मन सारके वो आमकां फुटोवपाची वी वॉन्ट द डेव्हलपमेंट इन द नॉर्थ बट नॉट द एअरपोर्ट नेवीन तर आमकां जमीन सोडीत इतली जमीन ते घेवन आसा ती जाल्यार आमकां मोपाचे गरज केन्नाच पडची ना आतां हो एअरपोर्ट कोणाक जाय गोंयकारांक नात्रा मोपाचो these are the politicians who want the airport the Congress and the BJP are both combined जाल्यार तांकां एअरपोर्ट जाय कित्याक तांच्यो जमिनी तुमी घेतल्यात तो डेव्हलप जावपाक I give a challenge. I'll challenge dita. I'll CM opposition sogla open debate apoita.
Iron ore miners as Goa posted a 74% year-on-year decline in March quarter to rupees 298 crore due to the ongoing mining ban in Karnataka and Goa. If not for contribution of rupees 513 crores from Cane India, in which it holds 20% stake, the firm would have posted losses.
The effects of mining ban are now becoming clearly visible. CESA Goa's income from operations declined almost twofold to 291 crore rupees as there was no production and sale of iron ore during the quarter. On a standalone basis, CESA Goa incurred a loss of 175 crore rupees in March quarter against a profit of 648 crore rupees in the same period last year. Sales plunged 84% to 291 crore rupees. On consolidated basis, net profit fell 74% to 298 crore rupees as sales plunged 90% to 291 crore rupees. CESA Goa states that iron ore operations were affected by the suspension of mining in Goa and Karnataka. On April 18, 2013, the Supreme Court gave clearance for resumption of mining operations for A and B category mines in Karnataka, subject to statutory clearances. CESA Goa's Karnataka mines fall under B category and is awaiting statutory clearances, including forest clearance, which expired in October 2012 to resume mining. We expect to commence mining shortly, subject to the grant of statutory clearances. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Indusila Education Trust has announced bilingual Sanskriti pre-primary and primary school in the state. The pre-primary section will be commissioned from 17th June. Primary section is expected to get commissioned by next June. This would be one of the schools in the state where students can opt for Roman Konkani along with Devanagari.
तो ठरला आम्ही की पहिले आम्ही द्विभाषिक मराठी आणि इंग्लिश करपाची which will have Devanagari script and Roman script, and later on our phase 2 will be Konkani and English. Konkani will be in Devanagari script, पहिली Devanagari and Roman script and English असो आम्ही विचार केला. आम्ही आमच्या जी आम्ही स्कूल करपाचें आहा ताचें नांव आमी संस्कृतीशें दवरलां. संस्कृती म्हणजे कल्चर, गोंयचें कल्चर कशें फुडें व्हरपाचें ह्या दृश्टीन हांवें विचार केला.
मूळ गाभा जो असणार आहे तो मराठी असणार आहे, परंतु बरोबरीने आम्ही इंग्रजीही शिकवणार आहोत. त्यामुळे बडबड गीतं, नर्सरी राईम्स, अभिनय गीतं, ॲक्शन सॉंग्स ही बालवाडीपासनं सुरुवात होईल आणि पहिली ते चौथी पर्यंतचा जो आपला अभ्यासक्रम आहे त्यामध्ये पहिली, दुसरी, तिसरी, चौथी या 4ही वर्षांमध्ये इंग्रजी आणि मराठी दोन्ही प्रथम भाषा म्हणून शिकवले जाते. जसं मराठी माध्यमामध्ये मराठी प्रथम भाषा असते आणि इंग्रजी तृतीय भाषा असते, त्यांना मराठी आणि इंग्रजी दोन्ही फर्स्ट लँग्वेज प्रथम भाषा म्हणून शिकवले जाते.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.